Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see saved effect on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first of all, I'm going to go to the story section. I'm going to select my camera, and here we'll be able to access a lot of effect from Instagram, and the saved effect will be in the left side. So these are the effect I have saved on my Instagram, and the unsaved effect will be in the right side. Okay, and I'm going to save one more effect. For example, this one, I'm just going to click on the save button, and the effect will be moved to the left side. And if you want to see all the effects on Instagram, you just need to scroll all the way to the right. Okay, just keep scrolling until you find the symbol, and here you'll be able to find out the trending effect and also the effect per category. You can search for the aesthetic categories, games, special effect, and you can also go to the saved effect right here. You can find the saved effect list, and these are the effect I have saved on my Instagram. Alright guys, and that's all the way to see saved effect on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.